You know, I don't think I've ever done a video on replacing the 4-hour timer. Now, if I did, if you've seen that before, you know, it might behoove you to go ahead and watch this anyways, because you might learn something different. I might say something different on this video than another one. There's no way I can repeat something word for word. So you never know what I'm going to say next. Okay, so now I've got some dikes here. I call these electrical dikes or cutters. And I'm going to take that right there and I'm just going to score it. See, I'm not going to like cut it off. I'm just going to like that. Now I can take that right beyond it, right there. Not too far away, because that could still bend right there. Okay, I'm going to go right there and gently bend this back and forth. And it looks like I should have cut it or tried to depress it a little bit more. Okay, now I can get it right in there and hang on to it there and pull it off. Okay, now see, if I didn't score it at all, it could start bending this, and I don't like messing with that. Okay, so I just go ahead and score this. Sometimes I can cut them off, you know, when I do this, but I have to do it down low, down on the ground, kind of on my hands and knees. Trying to just show you here. Boy, look at this, look at this. Wow, I'm gonna have to be careful with that. This whole thing started bending, and normally it doesn't do that, and I don't see a way to tighten that up, so I'm going to hang on to this. Okay, now I can gently wag this back and forth. Waggle, 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 waggle. Kaboom. Alright, I didn't really have to do that before. The last thing I want is to break this, and when I get done I can look at that, because if yours is pushed in or pushed out, you want that straight so that when you screw it in, you don't have your whole timer pushed out too far or in the box too far. That makes sense? Okay, let's try that again. I'm going to just hang on to that. Boy, I'm trying to do this in such a way to where you can see what I'm doing on the camera. I guess that kind of works by holding it with a pair of pliers. If you don't have any pliers, then you'll have to score it more. Let's try holding it with the pliers and not scoring it at all. So you shouldn't have to, because that little indentation is already in there. Okay, look at that. Boom. I might have just learned something there myself. That was nice. That went nice and easy. Instead of sideways, take the end and go up and down. Okay, so now I look at that. That one, that looks pretty straight. Okay. All right. Okay, on to the next step. I know you can do this. Just keep watching. Don't pay an electrician to come out. You pay someone to come out. They're going to charge you, like, for their labor, for service call, probably $95 to $125 plus the part. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to explain to you where I got this. And I probably saved, no joke, I probably saved about, I'm going to guess maybe 20 bucks by the way I'm going to show you how you're going to buy this timer. Okay, you ready for this? Keep watching. Well, that's it for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.